This is the day I've been waiting for. This is the guava tree I've been talking about every now and again, and have a look. The guava, the one and only fruit of this tree, is ripe. Look, I would suspect so because it's really nice and yellow, and I feel that it's nice and not really soft but firm, but if I press it a little bit, it will have a little more give, and I'm going to pick it now. When I was a kid, whenever we have guavas, we just pull it from the tree. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to use any secateurs or anything. This is the big moment. Look! We're just going to chop it open. Now, have a look first at how ripe it is and how perfect looking it is. It's very rare that I would see guava so perfect. It started outside when it was just a flower, and then it got pollinated, it started growing, and then when it got colder, we had to bring in this tree. We had to bring in the tree because guavas are actually tropical trees and they are very frost sensitive. So it's been living in this living space for 3 months, since April. So let's go ahead and cut this open. Heart, how would you? This way or that way? I'm so excited. This way? Okay. Look at how nice and shiny it is now, and I can feel it's like the texture is nice and soft. I mean, smooth. Look! And it smells so good. It's like exactly like the guavas that I was so used to eating in my childhood. Have a look. Now, here's the taste test. I don't need to cut it that way, but I don't usually cut guavas this way, guys. I usually bite into it, but I just like to show you how nice and pink it is. The variety of this is Hawaiian guava. And yeah, this is the very first and only fruit for the season. Oh, very first, since I purchased it about 3 years ago. And that time it almost died actually because I left it outside until I realized it had practically just 3 leaves left, and ever since, the 2 seasons after that, every winter we bring it in here. Now look at this one. It tastes exactly like guavas. Well, anyway, the guavas that I'm used to anyway, because I grew up in a place where we had lots of guava trees around our yard, so that's one of the big reasons why I decided to get a guava tree, no matter how difficult it is to grow guavas in a cool climate like Canberra. Look, success! And I'm hoping the next season we'd have a little bit more and then a little bit more, and I'll keep my fingers crossed that would come true. Well, if you're interested in anything gardening, pond keeping, or suburban life here in Australia, please subscribe to my channel because there are more videos to come. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hi, Kate.